Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be doing an install on a bow mount of a Predator PDL. Also, it's the BigWater 132. So we're just going to jump right in. We're going to, pretty much the mount's going to come to you like this. You just got to place it here, and then we're going to go ahead and put your clamp in it, and you'll use your two shorter fat-headed Phillips screws. Slide them in there. This part here goes towards the back, so it's going to go over the handle just like this, and then that's going to center where your mount should be. And then we're going to go ahead and put the washers and a nut on it. I'm going to kind of just stick it in here just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and snug this on down. That's your first step, and see now it's gonna pretty much center itself a little bit. You just want to eyeball it. Try to get it as straight as possible. You're gonna try to line these two screws up like the center of this right here, and anything else that you might have in the center of the boat, even your rudder in the back. And then after you've done that, we're going to take a 1/4 inch drill bit. We're going to drill right down through your boat. After you drill your hole, you're just going to slide that down in there with your washer and nut. Get it started. So after you get that one in there, get the nut on it, we're just gonna drill your hole in this side, slap that down in there, and then we're gonna tighten this up. Now we want them tight. We don't want to drive it all the way through the plastic. And now she's snug. She's one with the boat. And that's pretty much your install of this. You're just ready to put your quick release plate on here, stick the other part on your trolling motor, and slap it right here on the front. As you can see, that's pretty much the end of the mount build. We normally try to do drillless mounts, but the way that this kayak worked out, there was really absolutely no way to get away from not drilling in the boat. So we try to make it as minimal as possible. It's 2 holes. It's pretty easy to do. So we're still doing the one on the handle and everything like that. But if you like what you've seen in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, because we got a lot of other cool stuff coming out, and I think you'll be really interested in it. And I hope to see you on the water.